Hi, welcome to How to Repair. In today's video I'm going to be talking about condenser boxes on condenser tumble dryers. It does not matter which make you have, Electrolux or Zanussi AEG, Hotpoint, Creda, Ariston, Beko, Bosch, Neff and Siemens, they're all the same basically. They work on the same principle, and keeping these condenser boxes clean and efficient will really save you a lot of money with regards to electricity and the drying time on the machine. If your machine is taking a long time to dry, then half the problem is usually the condenser box, the filter and the ducting system. You need to understand, as you look at the diagram here, on how the two airflows work. So let me explain the two air circuits. You have one motor with two fan blades. The rear fan blade next to the heating element is the hot air circuit. The front fan blade is the cold air circuit. The rear fan blade drives the air through the heating element into the drum through the holes at the back. This warm air then evaporates any water that's in the clothing into moisture. This warm moist air then travels down through the filter and through the condensing box. It travels in this direction. Then it comes out of the condensing box and back to the heating element to be reheated. The cold air, or room temperature air, is drawn in by the front fan blade. This then actually pulls the air in through the front of the machine and into the condensing box via some ducting. This then flows through the side of the condenser. The two differentials between warm air and cold air are no different to your car windscreen on cold mornings, where you see the moisture in the air collect on the windscreen. This water that then is collected into droplets runs down certain ducting units to the pump unit. This water then is transferred via the pump to the collection tray at the top of the machine. All condenser tumble dryers need a little bit of maintenance once a month, but if you let them get into a really poor state of repair, then of course the machine is not going to be working efficiently. This Hotpoint machine here, or Indeset, the condensing box is so bad that if I bring this up to the camera for you, the air can't even flow through the box because it is so blocked. And when we take this outside in a second and clean it with the actual pressure washer or the high pressure hose, you will see the amount of fluff that comes out of this. The other one is a little bit better, but it is in need of a lot more maintenance. Again, the condensing box on this one has got restrictions on the actual air box. This is going to make it work less efficiently than it should do, burning more electricity and actually running for a longer period of time to dry the clothes. The Beko dryer that only needed a little bit of cleaning just can be done with either a toothbrush or a soft cloth, and just remove and flush it through on a regular basis. Now, the two bad condensers, I've come out into the garden, and the reason I wanted to show you this is these things do not come apart very easily, and there's different slots and you need to clean going through that direction and going through that direction, but it's a very small gap between the two and it's very difficult to actually get clear. You can try hitting it with a hose pipe and flushing it through that way, and you will get a certain amount coming out, but what you really want to hit it with is the pressure washer. Now, I've only been doing this for a few seconds, but you can see what was actually coming out of the box. And there you go, the condensing boxes on all three machines now are clean. The Beko that was regularly maintained is ready to use. The other two machines are going to have full strip downs and actually be serviced properly before they can be used, because all the ducting systems are completely clogged up with fluff. There's a video following this one that explains completely how these condenser tumble dryers work, from the heating system to the pump unit and also the condenser as well, and all the drain off points that are in the machine. I'll put all the links in the description below. Thank you very much indeed for watching, and if you found this video helpful, remember to support the website and buy the parts off us, and if we really helped, you can always click on the Buy Paul a Beer page. Thanks again for watching.